Hello, children. The world is very vast and every part of it has a different climate. However, the most prominent seasons are winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Different part of the world experience different season at different time of the year. So, today we are going to learn about seasons. First season is winter. Winter season is the coldest season which start from the month of December till the month of March. The peak winter month are January and December. Winter season comes with fog. Fog covers sunlight and makes winter colder. In winter, nights become long and day become short. The temperature remains much lower than other seasons. Snowfall occur at very cold places. In this season, we often see droplet on flower which were frozen and that look like pearls. All hilly region get covered with the snow and sometimes people find it difficult to get out of their home. We wear woolen clothes like jackets, sweater, caps, woolen socks, etc. to keep ourselves warm. This season produces a lot of healthy fruits and vegetables. Moreover, so many beautiful flowers blossoms during this season. After winter season, spring comes. Spring season is the most pleasant season in India. Morning is pleasant and noon is smoothing. The sky is clear and winds are refreshing. New leaves come out of trees. Flowers blooms. Spring season falls between mid-February to mid-April. Spring season is the great season for farmer as crop ripen in fields. Everybody feels a sense of joy and happiness. This season is also the season of colors. Festival of Holi is celebrated in the period of time. Spring is a beautiful season of joy, happiness and freshness. Children always enjoy this season as they were almost done with their exams. After spring season, summer comes. Summer season starts from the end of March and continues up to month of June and July. This is the hottest season of the year. Though it is hottest yet interesting and entertaining season for children. During summer season, days are longer and nights are shorter. In summer season, summer vacation is declared in the school for nearly 2 months. Children go on their families to their native or tourist places. Summer season has high temperature, but it is also important for agriculture and for rainfall. During summer, the nature gives us with fruits rich in water like watermelon, mango, muskmelon, cucumber, papaya, coconut, etc., which help to fight the heat and relax our body. Autumn season. In our country, this season falls from the month of September to November. Every season has its own feature. Autumn is also known as fall because the leaves from the tree start falling in autumn. Due to lack of rain, leaves start drying up, then they fall and the new leaves come up in winter. In autumn, everything turns from green to yellow. trees and grass become yellow in color and the fallen leaves cover the face of the earth. Autumn has its own unique beauty. Autumn season is a great season for growing vegetable and fruits. Festivals like Durga Puja and Garba celebrated in autumn. Autumn season teaches us that even if the leaves fall, new leaves will take their place one day. So here we have done with our all 4 seasons. Dear children, do you know season change according to the earth revolution around the sun. We all enjoy each and every season with its fruits, vegetables, festivals and weather. India is one of the few countries which have a lot of variation in terms of seasons. So, dear children, make this beautiful season craft, and which is your favorite season? Let us know in comment section. I hope you like this craft video. Please do share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe Tick Tick Wow Creation. Thank you.